Let us expand this expression. We use the distributive property. So we have A into A minus B. So A into A minus B plus B into A minus B plus B into A minus B. And now let us multiply all the terms. So we have A into A as A square, A into negative B as negative AB, B into A as BA, and B into negative B is negative B square. So this is what we get. Now we see that this is negative AB, this is plus BA, these are like terms, they cancel out and we get A square minus B square. So we have A plus B into A minus B as A square minus B square. This is a special identity. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So whenever we have an expression in the form of A plus B and A minus B, we can use A square minus B square in place of that expression. If we have an expression in the form of A square minus B square, we can substitute A plus B into A minus B in place of A square minus B square. Now let us try and prove this geometrically. This is a square of side A. The area of the square is A square. We take another square inside this square with side B. The area of this square is B square. We cut this square from the larger square. So the remaining area becomes A square minus B square. This length is A minus B. So it is A minus B. We cut this into two parts and then we rearrange it to form a rectangle. This length is A plus B. So we have a rectangle with sides A minus B and A plus B. So earlier we had this region with area A square minus B square. We cut it from the middle and then we rearrange it to form a rectangle with sides A minus B and A plus B. What is the area of this rectangle? The area is length into breadth, which is A plus B into A minus B. Now this is simply a rearrangement of this. So the area of this should be equal to the area of this. And what is the area of this? It is A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Hence, we can prove this identity geometrically as well. Is 3918 square minus 3911 square divisible by 7? Now, if you're asked this question, you'll have to calculate the square of 3918, which is a huge number, and the square of 3911, which is also a huge number. Well, we have learned this identity now. So we can use it to simplify our problem. 3918 square minus 3911 square. If we take 3918 as A and 3911 as B, this becomes A square minus B square. So I can write it as A plus B into A minus B, which is 3918 plus 3911 A plus B into A minus B. 3918 minus 3911. So we can have this. This is simply an application of this identity. Instead of a square minus b square, we wrote a plus b into a minus b. Now what is this? This is some number into 3918 minus 3911, which is 7. So this is some number into 7. So this is divisible by 7 because something into 7 is always divisible by 7. So the answer to this question is yes, this is divisible by 7. But the point which I want to make here is that a complex looking problem which involves a lot of calculations can be done in a very simple manner if we use the correct identity.